Thanks, Holly. My name is Paul Gam. I want to talk about business communications. First, I want to get into first impressions. When you first meet with a German person, it is important that you leave an exceptional impression. In order to do so, there are an abundance of nonverbal and verbal cues you need to know. For example, when you see someone you need to talk to, don't scream, "Hey, so-and-so, I have those reports you wanted." Don't do that. Just calmly approach the person, introduce yourself with a handshake, nudge back a little bit, and begin the conversation. If they bow or not, just kind of mimic them so that they know that you don't show any signs of disrespect. Also, if you're looking to make it a distinguished business relationship, you will want to have knowledge of their language and how to properly address someone. So now I want to get into language. If you are going to Germany, expect the majority of the people that you meet there will speak German. Immigrants in Germany may speak Sorbian, Danish, Frisian, Turkish, Kurdish, Polish, and Russian. However, more than half of Germany's population understands and speaks English. Even with that being said, it is still important to be careful while getting a presentation. This is because misunderstandings still occur frequently. On this slide, I've made a language breakdown by percentages in Germany. Yellow, representing Germans, is at 91.5%. However, over half of 91.5% of these Germans also speak English. Next, I want to get into the next largest group in this chart is Turkish, making up 2.4%, followed by the other category, which includes Sorbian, Frisian, Kurdish, Polish, and Russian, making up 6.1%. So now I want to get into meeting and addressing. Usually when you meet with a German, they will greet you with a handshake. Sometimes they may do a bow or head nod, as we spoke earlier. It is very important you mirror what they do. If you overlook the bow or head nod, it's a sign of disrespect. Also, in order to create a positive image, you need to be polite. Do not interrupt them while they are speaking. Make eye contact with them as much as possible because attentiveness is an important part of their culture. When you're addressing someone, either in writing or in person, it is important to know their title and how to say it. Most Germans will acknowledge people using their last name. So if you're speaking to a male, you should say her, which means Mr. When speaking to a female, you should say Frau, meaning Mr. or Mrs. If this person that you are speaking to is a doctor, just add the word doctor to their title. So male doctors would be Herr Doktor, and female doctors would be Frau Doktor. Thanks for listening. We'll go ahead and turn the spotlight over to Brandon. He's going to get into communication styles.